guys, it's Shazib Afridi from Game Logics, and this is part 45 of our tutorial series how to make Ludo game in Unity. Okay, so let's get started from the point where we left off in the previous tutorial. Okay, so now I need to write the code for the scenario where three of the four players win the game. So like the game is finished. Okay, if three of the four players win the game, then the fourth player can't play alone. Okay, so it means that the game is completed. Okay, the game is finished. So uh, let's write the code for this. Let's write the code for that scenario. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so if total red in house is greater than 3 and total blue is greater than 3 and total green is greater than 3 and total yellow is like less than 4, so it means yellow has lost the game. So let's copy. So red and green is present, so let's copy the blue one as well, and between them, because I like the proper sequence. Red and blue. Okay, so now we need to call the coroutine. Start coroutine. Uh, Game completed coroutine, and the player term should belongs to none. Okay, and a debug message. Game is completed. Game is completed. Okay, so now let's check it for blue, green, and yellow. So let's check it for blue, green, and yellow. Blue, green, and yellow. There should be like blue and green are already there, so it should be yellow and yellow. Sometimes I have to break the things like they are not in the correct manner. Okay, but the code is perfectly fine. Okay, so blue, green, and yellow have won the game. Now green, yellow, and red, green, yellow, and red. Okay, if green, yellow, uh, and red, and blue has lost it. Hmm. Hmm. So then again paste it. So red, blue. Okay, so instead of blue, there should be yellow. Okay, and yellow, red, yellow, red, and blue. So like blue has lost the game, red has lost the game, yellow has lost the game, but which one is left? Green one. Okay, so let's do that. And it will be like yellow, yellow, red, and blue. Okay, so it was like red, blue, and green, and then green, yellow, no, red, blue, and green, and then blue, green, and yellow, and then green, yellow, and red, and then yellow, red, and blue. So, okay, you got it? So now yellow, red, and blue. Let's copy this whole thing and paste it. So now yellow, red, and blue. Yellow, red, and this should be blue. Yellow, red, and this should be blue. Okay, so I think that we have completed the coding of our game. Okay, I think so that we are done. And it's almost like more than 3000 lines of code. Okay, so yeah, but the main code is not that much. Okay, it's because of the duplication. Okay, so and have I commented it? Like, let me see. If any of two diagonally. Oh, I think that I haven't. red, blue, blue, green, green, yellow, yellow, red, blue. Okay, so let's write the comment here so you can understand if any of three players, if any of three out of four players win the game. Okay, so and we need to put a break statement right here. Okay, so this is it. Hurrah! And there is gone. And everything is perfectly fine. Okay, so the coding part is done, and the only thing that is left for us is to check the game, to completely play the game for three players as well as for the four players. Okay, so I am just gonna check it just to, if not, I'm not going to play the complete game in this tutorial, but I have to check it. Okay, just to make sure. Okay, and I will play the three players game in the next tutorial, and then after that tutorial I will play the full four players game. Okay, and then we will be done for good for this game. Okay, so the coding part is done. Let's check. Okay, so it's three players game. Okay, the blue one is not in control. Okay, so as you can see, oops, see, that's why I was testing it. Okay, so now they are not rotating. So let's check this. So this is the thing. Oh, I think that only one of them was rotating. Why was that so? Oh, I'm checking the wrong thing. It's their color border. So, oops. See, it's not set. Rotate by, and it should rotate on the z-axis and with the 20-degree. The time that it should take rotating 0.5 second, half a second, and the speed should be 120, and is type linear, and it should be looping, like continuously rotating. So let's do that. Rotate by z and 20. Time should be 0.5. Speed 120. Is type should be a linear loop. So it's done. So now let's do the same thing for this and Z, and it should be Okay, is type, loop type should be loop, and the last one, so rotate by z 20 degree, time 120, speed, no, time 0.5 of a second, it's the speed. And let's make sure that the changes that we made, because sometimes it doesn't work and I have checked it, like, yeah, see, this is the thing I was talking about. Okay, we have made the changes, but it's not applied yet. So now what I need to do, okay, we will need to remove this component from here. So this is the way that it will work. Okay, so and we can do a shortcut way. Okay, so yeah, we don't need to like type that thing again and again. So yeah, let me show you a shortcut way. Let's copy this component and let's paste it. Wow, paste component is new. See, wow. Okay, so paste it as new. Yeah, so this is how you can save the time. Okay, so now it's saved, and let's see, now let's check it again. Let's check it again for, okay, so it's applied. Okay, so this is how you can do the thing, and let's see if we have the changes are made. Yeah, I have already done this. Okay, so it's okay for the, yes. So let's save it, and let's now let's check it. Not for this. Oh, okay. Come on, let's 6 for the yellow color. Come on, man. No. Oh, come on. I just need to make sure if it's working. But come on, man. Oh, we are getting so many fixes for red one, which is not required. Come on, man. Oh, come on. Hmm, bloody mess. Oh, shit. Okay, so the blue one is working as well. Oh, why? Oops. Whoa, 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 whoa. I haven't attached their methods. What the bloody hell is wrong with me? Yeah, see, that's why you need to check the game. You need to test it. Blue player 1. Okay. Same is the case with This one, blue player 2, done. Mm, let's make sure that we attach the scripts 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so it has, no, the third one didn't. So two player 3 and blue player 4. Come on. This should be okay. So let's do the same thing. Yep, we have lifted 4. Okay, so let's check 2, 3, and 4. Checking the scripts. Okay, so they are attached. So now let's yellow player. Where is the yellow? Yellow player 1 and yellow player 2 and yellow player 3 and yellow player 4. So we are good to go. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial, guys, and I think that the length of this tutorial has, I think, exceeded than 20 minutes, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so I think that yeah, the coding part is done, and in 2 or 3 tutorials where I will test the game for where I will play the game for a 3 players mode, okay, and I will play the complete game and will check it if we have any errors or not. Hope so we won't get any errors. Okay, and then in the other tutorial I will check the game for the 4 players game. Okay, where I will play the game for complete a complete game for 4 players. Okay, so till then, take care of yourselves, and if you have any questions or problems, then let me know, and feel free to comment. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notifications, and support me, guys. Your support will keep me motivated, and I have some great ideas for this channel, but as you know, my subscribers are not quite well, and the views are not very well. So uh, but anyway, I will try my best. Okay, so to bring good content for you, and next I am going to make a tutorial series for our color switch game. Okay, and in the meantime, side by side, I will be working on the AI of this game, which I haven't done, okay, before, and it will be something new for me, and I will learn that as well. And I can't guarantee you that I will be successful in making the AI for this game, but I will try my best to do that, to write the code for the AI, and then I have in mind that I will also learn how to make this game, this Ludo game, a multiplayer online. Okay, it will need some time. I will study that how to make it online. Okay, so pray for me and support me. Okay, so take care of yourselves, and see you guys in the next tutorial.